The high-end OnePlus 12 smartphone unveiled by the brand has a 6.82-inch OLED LTPO screen with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, coupled with 12 or 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. Its rear photo unit is made up of 3 cameras: a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 64-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. It houses a 5400 mAh battery, compatible with 100-watt fast charging and up to 50-watt wireless fast charging. Let's learn more about the OnePlus 12. Unleash the power of innovation with OnePlus 12. Dive into this video to explore the cutting-edge technical specs and latest news about the OnePlus 12. Get ready to be amazed by the future of smartphones. Don't just keep up with the tech world, stay ahead with OnePlus 12. The OnePlus 12 has been officially presented. Of course, the announcement only concerns China for the moment, but the attractive, powerful, and high-end smartphone should soon arrive in Europe. So, it's interesting to find out what awaits us. Let's start with the design. The OnePlus 12 was already revealed in its most beautiful finery in a teasing video where we could admire its round and imposing photo module at the back, offset to the left. The alert slider switch is included while the front screen sports a punch centered on the front, a very bright OLED screen. Let's talk about the screen. We are dealing here with a diagonal of 6.82 inches for QHD plus definition. The panel benefits from an OLED LTPO display for an adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz. In addition, the maximum brightness boasts of reaching 4500 CD per square meter. Also count on reduced flicker with PWM dimming of 2160 Hz to limit eye fatigue. A powerful chip and powerful charging. The power is there, both in terms of performance and charging. The OnePlus 12 features a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The chip boasts an impressive Antutu score. The new smartphone peaks at 2318530 points on the benchmark. The device can also rely on RAM ranging from 12 to 24 GB depending on the version. For charging, count on a 5400 mAh battery, compatible with fast charging of up to 100 watt to regenerate 100% energy in 26 minutes. Wireless charging is not left out since it can go up to 50 watt on this OnePlus 12, a photo part supported by Hasselblad. The OnePlus 12 also has 3 photo sensors on the back. 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, 23mm equivalent, f1.6. 64-megapixel x3 telephoto lens with OIS, 70mm equivalent, f2.6. 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle, 114 degrees, 14mm equivalent, f2.2. For the telephoto lens, note that the OnePlus 12 also promises x6 magnification with a quality worthy of an optical zoom and can digitally go up to x120 zoom. The ultra-wide-angle also handles macro shots. The photo experience is always supported by the specialist in the field, Hasselblad, who mainly adjusts the color rendering. This beautiful world is accompanied by an LED flash. For videos, you can shoot up to 8K at 24 frames per second. On the front, selfies will be taken with a 32 f2.4 camera. Also note that the smartphone is IP65 certified for resistance to splashing water. The brand has also demonstrated using the screen in the rain to show that this will not pose a problem. Also note that 5G is obviously in the mix, as is Wi-Fi 7. OnePlus 12 price in China. The OnePlus 12 comes in 4 configurations in China. Here are the prices to remember. 4,299 yuan for the 12/256 GB version, or around 560 euros excluding tax. 4,799 yuan for the 16/512 GB one, around 625 euros excluding tax. 5,299 yuan to stay at 16 GB of RAM and increase to 1 TB of storage, around 690 euros excluding tax. 5,799 yuan for the OnePlus 12 with 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, around 755 euros excluding tax. Finally, 3 colors have been revealed: black, white, and green. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload from us. Remember, your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video.